Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing Steely Dan's Dr. Wu. Let's take a listen. All right, I got a lot of Steely Dan fans out there who just love this kind of fusion of rock, jazz, pop, and even some blues. Really cool stuff. So we're doing the part one lesson here, and you saw my crazy whiteboard here with the letters. I teach a different way for the past 30 years. I've been teaching and helping people who have struggled with traditional music lessons learn a different way. Some people just need a different way to learn. So that's what these letters on the whiteboard are about. Right hand's on top, left hand's on the bottom. The dashes are for longer note values. The curved lines are for faster note values. And you just kind of jump in and see what you can do. All right, so we have A, D, F sharp on the right hand. Left hand and E. If you are a member of WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download my sheets for this all the way through. We go all the way through the whole thing. All right, so A, D, F sharp. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. Some of you want to use 1, 3, 5. That's okay. Left hand I'm going to do on an E. Done. Done. So 1 and 2 and. So the dash is I'm holding it. 1 and 2. The little dot is where you've had staccatos if you've ever had traditional music lessons. 1, 2. So just a little lift. 1, 2, and then when I come down on the and of 2, I play that chord again. 1, 2, and. Okay, and then I call this a country third. And you have A and D with a 2 and a 5, and we flip to B. And it's kind of a quick 1, 2, and. All right, 1, 2, and. Done. And then we're going to come down and play that same country third in this octaves. Okay? So 1 and 2 and down. E, C, and the E, C at the end. Da, da, da. All right, now I went down. Depends on kind of what mood you're in. If you want it heavy, you can do it down here. F, C, F. I'm using an octave for that F, just the second finger for the C, back to the F. Or you could do here, octave, octave, octave. Okay? So beginning 1 and 2 and. 4 and 1, 2. Okay? So the right hand is G, C, E, G, 1, 2, 4, 5. It's a C chord. Over an F bass, 2, 3, and. So I have the curved line coming before because it makes me think of a syncopated. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. It's on the offbeat. So whenever you see a chord and I have a curved line right before it, that's on the offbeat. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so my sheets are meant to be a help, but you need the videos with it. You can't just look at the sheets. You might be able to, but you hear it demonstrated in the lesson, so that's kind of how I intended it to be. So F, C, F. When you go to this next chord, it's G, B, D, G, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, and then you're back to the C chord with the F in the bass. 1, 2, 3, and. All right, so this last part, I have a little typo there. I should have put the G right here. I have it going up, and it should just go, it should just go down, E, C to G. I think I stepped on a chord and the TV went out. Technical difficulties, but we're good now. E, C with a 5, and then G with a 2. Da-dum. All right, so beginning 1 and 2 and 4 and 2, 3 and ba-na. And then we have very rhythmic, okay? One more time from the beginning. 1, 2, and 4 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and. All right, so there's our part one for YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. I'll see you on the website. You can learn many more Steely Dan songs that I've done on there, plus just thousands and thousands of other lessons that I've done over the past 17 years now on the website. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.